Hello everyone. I'm very happy that I own a Master Lock. And it was an eBay bargain. It just costed me €2.50 and it is this Lockout Master Lock. According to bosnianbill's review of this lock, it has a nice core with spools and serrated pins, and he considered it as a very good training lock. So again, I'm very happy that I own it now. It comes with one key, looks like this, not too challenging, and this deep cut here doesn't make too much trouble when picking it. Key works perfectly. Key doesn't go out when it is open. It has no spring tension, and it's closed again. It is a 6-pinner, and I picked it several times, and my plan was to make the presentation part, which is this one, and the picking part, which should come now. But I'm back again here with my little lock, and I clamped it tightly into my vise. It's now locked. I use tensioning at the top of the keyway, and this tension wrench just fits perfectly here in the keyway. Use a standard Peterson hook for picking and apply little tension here, go all the way to the rear and see who binds first. Gives me a little click, and it was the first. I think you could see the little turn on the core. And just touched another pin and got an even better turn on the core, and I think this is already a false set, but as there are serrated pins, I will double check. Did you see? Turned even more, because I think it was not set to the correct depths, just hung on the groove, and I think now we are done. No more serrated to push down to the correct depths, and I would check for the spool. Here we are. Can you see the counter rotation when I apply pressure to the pin? Apply pressure, release tension a little bit. Even more, even more, even more. Okay. Try to get my pick at the very tip of the pin. And again. Okay. Bam! Open! And check for the first binder. A little click here. I need to take care because those are serrated pins and they might be touched more than once to get it set to the correct position. So don't rely on the first click. And with all serrated pins, only little tension. Okay. Oh, here we are. It's open. That was quick. Okay, that's it. We've got a full set now. I'm searching for the spool. Gives me a counter rotation. And very good counter rotation here. Okay, and there's another spool at the rear. Okay, got it open. We are already overset a pin. I do not get any feedback here. Okay, start over. Okay, it was a good click. I felt a turn on the core. So one pin should be set now. And here we are, got a false set now. Very good false set. Now I'm looking for a spool to be picked. Here we are. Get this counter rotation. I'm not sure if I set it correctly or I overset it. Oh, I don't. Okay. Got the false set back. Looking for the security pin. And here we are, open. Oops. Okay, that was the little compilation of the different picking attempts, and you could see how much fun it makes and how much it surprises you every time you pick it. Okay, so just get one of these by yourself and also have fun. And well, have fun with picking. Pick it again. Okay, here I'm back again, and this is a warning. Never do that. Never try to rake this lock. I tried to rake it open or tried to rake a false set, but I destroyed it. Can you hear that? The pins won't come out, but they are somewhere in this lock, so I destroyed this poor little lock by my raking attempt. The key goes in. I do not feel any pins. It turns, but it does not open. So that was my little lock, and that's very sad. So my message to you: never rake it. It doesn't like to be raked. Okay, that's it. Happy picking, and maybe we see again this lock when I disassemble it. Alright, bye bye.